Hi, this is Xperia 5 Mark 5 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while home screen with your finger and then tap to the widgets icon. After that you'll see here the calendar or just another application which widget you could add, and just to add widget to your home screen you should just hold it and drag it to your home screen. To move widgets on the screen or between the screens you should just hold the widget and just drag it by this way. Also, we could create the new screens with the widgets. We should just hold and drag them to the new screen. To resize the widget, you should just hold it, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.